Hello my student! So now Miss Ucha will show you the tutorial video for our project next week. Okay, the project for next week is color salt dough. Okay, now Miss Ucha will show you how the way to do the project. Are you ready? Yes, let's start now. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and 1 cup of water. Okay, now Miss will show you how to make it. Let's mix 2 cups of flour with the salt. Okay. And then we stir the materials with this. After that, we add a cup of water while stirring the dough. Make sure the dough formed well. Okay, to make it more fun, let's add the color with food coloring. Miss will make blue dough like that, and then we mix them well. Okay, after the dough form well like this, okay, let's take some part of the dough, then we spin. We make a ball with the dough like this. Okay, this one, the ball. After that, let's try to make a new shape from this ball. Miss Ucha will try to make a heart. Okay. Alright. Ta-da! Finish. Miss Ucha has done to make a heart. Okay. Later you can try to make other shape with this dough. Okay. Do you want to try? Yes. Okay. Let's make it next week. After that, don't forget to clean up the stuff after you've done your project. Goodbye!